In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a brand new page to your Wix website, name it, design it to match your brand, and make it live for visitors. First, open your browser and head over to Wix.com. Log into your account so you can access your dashboard. From there, pick the website you want to work on. When you're ready, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is where all the visual editing happens and where you'll see your site's canvas alongside the tools you'll use. Once the editor loads, look to the left-hand toolbar and click Pages and Menu. The icon looks like a stack of pages. Think of this panel as your site's map and navigation center. It lists all your current pages and the items that appear in your site's menu, so it's the best place to stay organized as you build. Now let's create the new page. At the bottom of the page list, click Add Page. When Wix gives you options, choose Blank Page for a completely clean slate. This gives you total freedom over layout and design without any preset sections. Wix will instantly add the page and open it in the editor so you can start customizing right away. Before you design, give the page a clear name. In the Pages and Menu panel, click the default name, like New Page, and rename it to something meaningful, such as Portfolio, About, or Services. Clear names help both visitors and search engines understand your site structure. With the page selected, start building. Add text for headings and paragraphs to introduce the page's purpose. Drop in images to showcase visuals and use buttons to guide visitors to actions you want them to take. Galleries work well if you have multiple photos or projects. As you place elements, keep your brand consistent. Reuse your site's fonts, colors, and spacing. Align items neatly so the layout feels balanced, and group related content so it's easy to scan. Think of the top of the page as your hook, the middle as your details, and the bottom as your call to action. When your content looks good, check how it appears in your site menu. Wix usually adds new pages automatically. If you want to change where it sits, simply drag